about you there, 308. How about that, 308-913, South Central Florida waving.
Morning time, 913. Sounding good on this end for 913. You're 308 Illinois. Hey, 913. Man, you busted that real order that time like Jack in the Box. I come back in here for a minute. I gotta get back in the kitchen though. I'll burn something up. I just wondered where's that 4-1 if you got a sloppy copy. Hey, 913. Your friend Doorknob there in Music City Hall. In there.
10-4 there, Doorknob, 10-4 on that. You did the same thing. I was talking to 308 and you sideswiped them. 913 South Central Florida. Don't burn up what you got going on in the kitchen. Have a good Sunday, and I'm back out.
Alright, 913. I'm trying to get up in the middle of that road, but you know how it goes. Old Mother Nature ain't being real kind to me. Hey, 913, you're 308 right back, and I'll see you.
All right, 308, you're back up in there. You're back up in there. I guess we got it coming from all these states up north of us right now. That's a good deal. That skip lane's been awfully mean the last few days.
Alright, 913, take care on that end. There's somebody else in there saying good morning time. Good morning, right back, 308 Illinois waving.